Ever wondered what really happens when blood pressure drops too low? I'm talking about severe hypertension, not just feeling a bit faint after standing up too quickly, but the kind that can turn downright deadly if left unchecked. Here's the deal. Your body relies on blood pressure to deliver oxygen and nutrients to every organ. If that pressure plummets, it's like trying to water a garden with a trickle instead of a hose. The brain is first to notice you might feel dizzy, lightheaded, or even pass out. That's your body begging for more blood flow, but it doesn't stop there. When circulation slows, the heart struggles. Not enough blood means not enough oxygen, which can trigger weird rhythms or even stop the heart altogether. Now, if things keep sliding downhill, your kidneys and liver start shutting down too. These organs are picky. They need a steady supply to work properly. Without it, toxins pile up, and the body's systems go haywire. In the worst-case scenario, say after major blood loss, a severe infection, or a bad allergic reaction, the body goes into shock. Blood pressure drops even lower, organs keep failing, and unless emergency treatment kicks in fast, it's a vicious cycle straight to multi-organ failure. So what's the takeaway? Severe low blood pressure isn't just a number, it's a medical emergency. Rapid fluids, medications, and sometimes even life support are needed to turn things around. Knowing the signs and acting quickly can save lives. Remember, when blood pressure tanks, every second counts.